Okay, so today we're out here with Lulia from Gradiva Photography.
Hey!
And we're gonna do a little tutorial photo shoot. Just getting some batteries for her remote. In clicks! Okay, like I said, we have two shooting modes. You can shoot without high sync speed, you get more power from the flash.
Yes.
If you put high sync speed on, you lose a little bit of power and the flash isn't as effective as it is without high sync speed.
Yeah.
But if you shoot without high sync speed, you have it on f8 because it's going to be too bright. Your shutter is just going to go up to 1/80th of a second for Canon, and that's going to be the max without high sync speed. Now you switch on your high sync speed. Let's go ahead and where's high sync speed? Switch it on. And now you can take down your aperture to whatever you want, like
3.2.
you shoot usually what you shoot on 3.2, 3.5, whatever. So that's going to give you a shallower depth of field. Let's do it at 2.8 real quick.
Alright.
Where's the model? Now if you put it to 2.8 and we were at 1/80th of a second, you need to change your shutter speed to compensate for the amount of light that's going to come in because you lowered your aperture, you opened up your aperture. Okay, where's the model? Okay. So we're going to take a quick shot with 1/60th of a second so I can show you. So that's going to happen.
Yes.
Now you have it on high sync speed. You have to compensate with the shutter speed.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a picture of the sky without the flash and just meter for the sky. Okay. By metering for the sky, I mean point your camera at the sky. Turn up your shutter speed until you see the light meter go to perfectly exposed. So that's one.
That's 0.
Yeah, that's 0. So 1/4000th of a second. We need to mark that spot so you can have the same kind of, right there. Okay, turn around, look at me. Okay, excelente, or clipping, as some people call it. Oh wait, the flash is off. That is a good reference to show you where the blinkies are. There's no blinkies.
Yeah.
So the flash is going to fill in her that is black now.
Yeah.
So now you have a high dynamic range photo that is.
Okay.
Turn it towards. We have it on full power right now.
Yeah.
Turn around, look at me. Same pose like you did previously. You put your arm back like that, like you did previously. Yeah, like that. Just want a reference photo. Okay, she was totally dark. Now we have the fill-in flash. But now the fill-in flash isn't strong enough, remember?
Yeah.
High sync speed kills your power on your flash.
Alright.
Okay,
so we need to reduce our shutter speed.
No, we don't have to reduce our shutter speed. What we can do is we can move the flash closer to her a little bit. I'm teaching Lulia from Gradiva Photography how to use her new strobe that she just got from Adorama. Right now she's busy trying to figure out, I messed up everything and now she's busy trying to figure out how to get the group setting right and the channel setting right. I already showed her how to do the metering for the sky and everything. Now she's busy figuring out how the flash will communicate with the trigger. Let's see how this goes. at that celebration. Oh my god.
I got it!
Let's see what it looks like. Some food.